Hello guys, review Nothing Phone 3A Lite. This version 8GB RAM memory and 128GB storage. Open box, look completation. In completation we have only protected back cover and Type-C cable. Okay. Turn on device. We have display 6.7 inch, power button and smart key button. On this side, warm buttons. Downside Type-C, slot for SIM cards, speaker and microphone. Triple camera on the back side. Okay. Nothing OS. We have Nothing OS 3.5, Android 15. 5000 mAh battery, flexible AMOLED Full HD Plus 120 Hz display, MediaTek Dimensity 7300. Okay, open Geekbench 6, GPU test results, and CPU test results. Look onto the benchmark results. Very good, powerful result, and look how PUBG Mobile works on the device. Game load and load on the max graphic level and ultra frame rate, and game works very smooth, very good. Okay. Close this. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Video we have recorded 4K or Full HD 60 frame rate. I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.